Hi, I'm Mark Clugman. Welcome back to my 30-day redesign of your boudoir business. And today it's the end of week 5. It's talking about all the referral system today and redesigning it and things. So of day 25 here, we're kind of closing out the week with the most powerful marketing force in the world, which is, we know, word of mouth. You can run ads and post on social media all day, but nothing carries the weight of a friend telling a friend that basically you have to go and see this photographer. You have to go and have this experience. So today we are designing your referral system, or at least redefining it, I should say. We're moving away from hoping people talk about us, moving towards a deliberate system that turns happy clients into your most loyal brand advocates and ambassadors to the brand. And in marketing, referrals are pre-qualified leads. You know, when a client is referred, the trust that we get straight away is basically it's already been borrowed from their friend, as it were. So they know they're kind of walking into a great experience. That's why in business terms, they often say that 20% of your clients will kind of create 80% of your turnover. And what they mean by that is that 20% of your clients, those big spenders, are going to be introducing so many more clients. If we allow them the structure to do so and things, really, they'll actually really generate a huge amount more wealth for us during the course of the year and the years ahead. These clients are more likely to book when they're referred to us, and they're less likely to haggle over pricing, and they already kind of resonate with your brand before the first email even hits their inbox as such, because they've been referred to us. For me, and the creative kind of world, you know, referrals reinforce your culture. They reinforce you. They reinforce what you're all about. When a client shares your work, they aren't just sharing a photograph. They're sharing your signature style and the emotional journey they went through. This amplifies your creative reputation without you saying a word. And one of the most difficult things that we have in the world of boudoir photography, especially, is people are kind of really not sharing their images because they're precious to them and they don't want to kind of show the world with them in lingerie and so on with it. But to their close group of friends or their close group of Facebook community, they might be doing just that for us. When we look at referrals, they're a big inspiration because happy clients become advocates and ambassadors. The thoughtful recognition of a small unexpected reward that we give to our client will basically deepen the loyalty, guaranteed. It turns a one-time transaction into a community. So that one little thing that you do for one client can actually talk to a whole group of other people that you haven't come across yet. And that makes your clients feel that they're a big part of your inner circle to the business, the VIP kind of groups and everything else with it. So today we need to really look at redesigning a system, if you've got one in place already, that feels like a gift, not a bribe. As far as the motivation is concerned, you've got to ask yourself what truly motivates your clients to share. Is it a credit toward future kind of wall art or albums or another session, a gift for their friend, or simply the feeling of being recognized and thanked? The path to recommendation should be as frictionless as we can physically make it, so as simple as we can, yeah? How easy is it for them to refer you? That's key, all right? So you need to actually put something in place that they can actually refer their friend, and we know they've referred to. It could be the simple of nominating a friend for the experience and so on. Do you have referral cards to hand out to clients, or a simple link that they can text to their best friend? And remember, most people don't know each other's home address physically now, so we can't really post anything out, but they do know their text, their WhatsApp, and so on with it. So a digital kind of referral is obviously going to be the most powerful in today's age. Then the whole part of the surprise and the delight. Yeah, how can you reward the referral so it feels personal, that's key. A handwritten note often carries more weight than a generic discount code, and that little note can actually be put in or given to the client when they're there for the pickup and things. So your task today is to design a simple, the key word is simple, referral system, to outline exactly what a thank you looks like from the person referring is concerned, and what the welcome gift looks like for the new client. Make sure it feels authentic to your luxury brand, which is key. You don't want to kind of go off piste with any new design or kind of logo or kind of new fonts or whatever it is. It's got to look like you. And then once you've done that, I want you to ask yourself, how can I make the actor refer in my studio feel as excited and effortless as the shoot itself? We've got to kind of really look at these questions at the end of each day, because if we don't, we're not trying to look at things from a customer point of view. Good luck today.